My name is Sean Brennan and welcome to my account. I don't quite have a YouTube setup yet, but that's okay. I'm going to be bringing you the most informative content in the least amount of time possible. Now today we're going to be talking about how to get paid on YouTube by YouTube. If you want to run ads on your videos and make that money, awesome. All you got to do is have 1,000 followers and 4,000 valid watch hours. Once you have that, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. I did find all this information on YouTube's website because I myself was curious a while back. But what I would install before you reach that goal is a Google AdSense account. And what a Google AdSense account will let you do once you reach that goal is run those ads on your videos. There's plenty of other ways to also make money on YouTube, but today's video is just talking about how to get paid on YouTube by YouTube. Just to recap super duper quick, you have to have 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers, and get accepted to the YouTube Partner Program and have a Google AdSense account. I will leave a link down below so you can, make your own Google AdSense account for either when you reach that goal, or if you're already there, heck, sign up today, start doing it. If you're wondering where you can find my other social medias, in my bio, I have a link tree to every single site I am on. So if you want to see more of my content or more of my face or my hat, check it out. There you have it, folks. Short, simple, sweet. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.